Hello everyone, my name is Chris and welcome back to my channels with reviews on this and that. So today I'll be doing a quick unboxing and a review of this awesome looking portable power station. This comes from a company called Go Power Plus by Ideation, as you see here on the top left. And this unit can basically power up your basic electronics, small electronics I want to say. It does provide a 45,000 milliamp hours. It stores 167 watt hours of power. It's got a high power LED flashlight. It's got a fast charging USB. It's got AC output and DC output as well at 12 volts, and also has a nice bright LED display. As you can see right over here, it shows you the percentage. It shows you the battery temperature and the charge status on the left hand side. So what comes inside the box? Actually, this comes with a couple. This comes with a, as you can see, this also has an emergency weather band radio channels. This is your control panel. This button right here, that's your power key. It's got 4 USB ports and a quick charge output, which is right over here on the bottom right, quick charge 3.0. And what's really nice about this unit is that you can charge it through multiple sources, or you can also charge it through a solar panel, which is very interesting, or you can also get a DC 12 volt output as well. So with that being said, let's go ahead and see what's inside the box. Okay, so what do you get with this unit? Right on top you can see the power button for the NOAA weather stations right here. You can change the band, you can change the volume up or down, and you can turn on, this is the NOAA feature right here. This is the power button for this side of this portable power station. Here is your AC 120 power button right here if you want to plug this in and charge it. Or actually, I'm sorry, this is how you plug in this unit to provide 120 volts of power. So you can plug in your basic electronics, you know, whether it's a cell phone or a tablet, small electronics again, because this unit only holds 100 watts of power. And then right down here you can see that it provides 4 USB ports. On top it says 5 volts, 2.1 amps. That's the standard. That's the legacy, I should say. And on the bottom it has the QC, which is the quick charge 3.0. Another two USB ports on the bottom. And what I really like about this unit is that on the bottom left you can see that it says 15 volts input, solar input. So you can charge this unit with a small solar panel. I would not recommend using a 100 watt solar panel, as it will damage and overcharge this battery. I would say if you want to charge this unit with a solar panel, I would say get a 50 watt solar panel or even smaller one. And then you can also see that on the bottom right you have a 12 volt output as well. That's your DC output. And on the right hand side of this unit you can see this is a pretty bright LED flashlight. And right down here you have a cooling fan to keep the battery cool. And right on the back you can see that this is, I'm trying to zoom in here, you can see that it says the model number. It says this is a portable power station. Input is DC at 15 volts. And then what I really like about this is that this is the speaker for the radio, and this is another fan. And this unit is very light. I would say it weighs about maybe I would say it weighs under 2 pounds. And the accessories that you get inside the box, let's start with the quick start manual, which is right over here. And then you have your 120 volt. This is your AC charger, so you can charge it from the wall. And you would plug this in right in here, okay? And then you also have a car charger. This is to charge. This is to charge. This is for your output. This is for the 12 volt DC output. So you plug this into that port, and then you plug this in directly to your DC. And then here you have a basic micro USB. So this is a USB charging cable. This is basically USB 2.1 to a micro USB cable to charge your small electronics such as cell phone or tablet. And so I think this unit is very cool and very awesome. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and a quick review of the Go Power Plus. If you're interested in such an item to keep some backup power, which I highly recommend no matter where you live and what country and whatnot, because if the power goes out, then how are you going to be charging? At least you'll be able to charge your cell phone and your tablet and maybe a few other smaller electronics. As again, you can charge multiple devices through four different USB ports. And you can also listen to the local weather through the NOAA feature. All right, and this does have a bright LED display, by the way. I'm gonna zoom in here to the box. Okay, so if you guys are interested, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I will leave the Amazon link in the description below if you are interested. Other than that, let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in the next video.